Let's look at 3 small EDC Multi Tools. So this one we have a rock doll, and it has a scissors, and we also have a nice blade in there. And sorry, my birds are arguing, I guess. We have this, which you can reverse. And then we have a couple little tools on the end. A can opener. I don't know if that's an awl or for using on phone, I'm not sure. Sure is long and pointed. And a regular blade. And then we have this awl. And that's about it. And right there is to hold and release your blade so you don't do your fingers in to lock. So there we go on that one. I'm not crazy about the scissors on this one. It works, but it's okay. One of my favorites is this Roxxon multi-tool. So we have a nice case. We have these bits, really nice case, and the tool itself. So you can get this either in a pliers or a scissors, and I chose a scissors on this one, and these are good scissors, really good scissors. On this end, we have a tweezer and a toothpick. On this end, we have a blade, that awl thing. This one actually can be the driver. Here's an attachment for the bits. So we have that, and then we have a can opener, bottle opener, and there's a little bit of a blade on the end of that. Probably a package opener. This one, by far, is my favorite one. And then I tried to do this as a short, but under 3 minutes, but no YouTube. Now, we have the Gerber dime. The pliers. And on this one, we have a scissors. Very little scissors, by the way. And we also have a little file. And we have a screwdriver, flat blade. Alright, and then on this side, we don't have anything there, but we do have tools on this side. Here is a tweezer, and it's kind of hard to get in and out. Bottle opener. We have, I think that's a box opener. And see if I can get the rest of this out. Some of these aren't easy to get out. We have a blade, not a very big blade, and that's it. So it's handy. It's small enough to put it somewhere and handy. So that's what we have for the small EDC tools. Out of all of them, this is my least favorite. This one would be my second favorite, the dime. And this one is my favorite, the Roxxon. So I got this one for about 25 bucks. You can get this for about 19. And the Gerber dimes are around 30 bucks. So that's what we have with the small EDC tools. And by far, I like this one. And I do have the original Leatherman from 30 some years ago. All right. That's all I have on the small EDC tools. I will be doing a short video on some Bruce light. And I just did a short on these. I love smoky quartz. Oh, I do have a couple. We have this. I have two of these now. So one of these will be going to a home. And we have the Watchman. Nice little Kydex sheet. And that was like a $30 knife. And here's the model number off of it, if anybody wants it. I'm really liking these Watchman knives. They're that 14 C28 steel is super sharp. They make a good little knife. Not so little, some of them. And I did get this today. So I'll be doing a mountain house soon. I've had a little trouble with vertigo the last couple days because I've been up and down and that kind of aggravates it. I am going to be doing this 5-minute chef meal, self-heating. Yeah, I've just been kind of busy and my friend's still having back trouble. We thought it was gone. I organized my knives over here, so we got some of that put away. Now my birds, oh my birds, they've been one of them's been particularly naughty, named Zoe. So I do apologize for not getting around much lately on YouTube. I've just been busy and having a little trouble not feeling the best. So, and yeah, after a while it just gets old. So, still trying to stay positive about everything. That's all you can do. So again, I apologize for, I'm sure I missed a lot of stuff lately. I do apologize for that. Not my intention at all. So when I do have vertigo, I end up watching stuff on my TV and I try to go comment later. All right, so there we go. Small EDC tools. This one, I think, is my choice for a small one. If you guys have some, let me know which your favorite ones are. And we'll see you soon. Thanks for watching.